Stress is part of the human experience. It's unavoidable, which is why it's important to arm ourselves with tools to help us with the inevitable stressors that life throws at us. Today we'll go over 3 unique tips that you probably haven't heard of before. Starting off at tip number 1, centering yourself. A study was conducted in 2021 at the College of William and Mary by Dr. Stephanie Durays. The researchers took 150 people and had them follow a schedule of regular centering meditation while keeping track of their stress levels. After 4 weeks, the researchers found that the participants who stuck to the meditation had significantly reduced levels of stress as compared to the control group. The participants also had a more balanced and mindful outlook on life. Now, how exactly do we center ourselves? Well, centering is actually based on an ancient Japanese meditation technique. To begin, find somewhere to sit comfortably and close your eyes. Consciously try to relax all of your muscles and turn your focus to the center of your body, right around your belly button. You can visualize whatever you want here. A glowing ball, a black circle, a pulse of energy, whatever you want, so long as you focus your mind on that specific spot. By doing this, you'll be able to calm yourself down. By sticking to this, you'll be able to put yourself in a good state to start tackling the root cause of your stress. Which brings us to the second tip, which is to use the SSTA framework. This is a stress management framework created by Dr. Arthur Nazu. Stands for Stop, Slow Down, Think, and Act. The next time you catch yourself stressing out, stop and slow down by finding something to write on. Now here's the important part. You think by writing down your thoughts. What is it that you're stressing about and why are you feeling stressed about it? Write down as much as you can think of. Doing this will allow you to visualize your current situation more clearly, which then makes it much easier for you to come up with solutions to act on. By laying everything out, you will have essentially created what's called a mind map, which is a visual representation of the thoughts going on in your mind. Studies have shown that our brain is very receptive to information presented in the form of mind maps. It's been found to make it easier to think critically, solve problems, and come up with ideas. So by physically writing everything down, you'll be able to see the possible solutions to your problems with more clarity, which ultimately allows your brain to relax and feel less stressed. The third and final tip is to use hot water immersion. A study at the University of Freiburg had participants regularly take hot baths over a period of 8 weeks. They were immersed in hot water for at least 20 minutes at a time with the goal of raising the body's internal temperature by 1.7 degrees. The researchers found that after 8 weeks, participants reported improved moods and better emotional regulation. When you're stressed, the levels of cortisol in your body are increased. This leads to all sorts of problems such as insomnia, lack of focus, and even digestive issues, all of which can cause us to become even more stressed as we find it difficult to get our life on track. By raising your body temperature through the use of hot baths or saunas, you'll be able to reduce your cortisol levels and find it easier to relax. And that's it. These are 3 tips you can use to reduce your levels of stress. I hope you found this video helpful. Besides that, stay tuned.